Hello, and welcome back to my nesting series. I am 37 weeks pregnant, and today we are tackling my pantry because it has personally been bothering me for weeks, and I just have not had the time to organize it. It's been a huge mess because we've had family come in and out for extended periods of time, and just things just naturally got displaced. So I'm excited to have this area of my house organized and ready for when baby girl comes. So I'm gonna quit yapping and we can get started right about now. So this is what we are dealing with. Like I said, it has been very long since I've been able to organize this. I haven't even put stuff away from Costco from a week ago, and just things are extremely out of place, as you can see. So this is why I am thrilled to get this done. Okay, I got all of this cleared. I just pulled this up from the ground, but I'm going to obviously get all of this stuff out, but I'm going to put the Costco things on the shelves and then pull all of this out, vacuum underneath, and then start putting things back. I have everything out on the kitchen counter. Oh my goodness. I feel like I should have just organized everything in there. But I feel like you need to do this every once in a while to actually see everything that is in there. And so looks so much better in here knowing that all of the bags are gone. I plan on taking them to the place that I work. But that lunchbox I'm going to donate, and then I want to donate this little gold round thing, and then I want to pull everything out, vacuum, and then we can put everything back. Okay, so that is basically done. I do have a couple pieces of dog food that I need to pick up, but now we can officially start organizing. I cannot wait one day to actually completely do this pantry. Like, I'd love to add a countertop and then some outlets in here, so then that I don't have to constantly drag out my bread machine and Instant Pot. And so, yes, hopefully I will be able to show that one day, and then be able to add an outlet for this thing as well, so I can charge it in here and just not in random spots. So this is the beginning. Now let's put it all back and get organized. Okay, so I got all of this back in, and then this bottom shelf is basically a lot of canned goods and heavy items. And then these two, I don't really have like a full-blown method. And then up here is like extra things that I may have on hand. So we will get started with all of this and add it back and go from there. Okay, first shelf is done. I can't decide if I want to go back and put everything like that, but then that leaves everything kind of uneven, because then that would just leave like a single one like that. And I feel like that would drive me nuts. Although looking at it now, it kind of makes sense, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay. That looks a little better. These still kind of drive me nuts, but I think I might just make a chili and then make it even. So there we go. Okay, so this is our like miscellaneous Lazy Susan. Like we have jalapeno. This is actually really good, but you can't refrigerate it for some interesting reason. So I'm going to take everything off because it is very dirty under there. So let's give this a wipe down and then put it back. Does anyone else have to keep their brown sugar in their original packaging? Because every time I put it in this actual bin by itself, it just gets really hard. I don't have the proper lid or anything like that. This is from IKEA, but still, it's kind of annoying. And it doesn't make sense as to why they don't get hard in the actual package, but not this thing. So that goes there. So I buy the big rice at Costco and I have to put it in several bins. So I'm going to try to combine these two and see if they will fit, so then that we will have less to worry about in the pantry. That was literally satisfying and absolutely perfect. Okay, so now we are going to kind of organize some of this stuff, because since things just got thrown in there, they need to go in their correct spot. So I'm starting off with the world's smallest snack bin. My husband and I aren't the biggest snackers, so literally it is just full of candy canes. So I'm actually going to get rid of these because these are actually pretty old, and so these are going to get trashed and then put some actual snacks that we have in here. These are amazing. this is kind of like our chip bin. So I know these are old, so they can get tossed. I'm also going to add in the last bit of the cereal so it has a real spot. I'm looking around to see, I guess we can add this in there as well. And looks like that's it for this bin. So I feel like what I'm about to do is a big no-no, but these are our pasta jars. And I have 2 of these that I would like to be put in these. So I'm going to combine them. Hopefully, actually what I'm going to do is put this on top. So then that these get used first. Oh my goodness. My counters are clean, so I'm putting the ones on the countertop inside here, so don't come for me. Like I said, I'm combining these, and I know that is like a no-no, I feel like, but it's my house, my rules. And even though as much as I hate it, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, so now I'm looking around. I think I might put this Sam's Club pancake mix in here, in this, so then that it just fits better and is honestly more aesthetically pleasing. So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully it doesn't spill everywhere. I actually remembered that I had this cereal bin, so I'm going to put the Cinnamon Toast Crunch in here. I think it should all fit. There is literally nothing better than cereal when you're pregnant. Now that I think that everything is combined, we will put it all back, and then hopefully we should be done. So let's get started. here is the final result. Oh my goodness, this just looks so much better. You can actually see the floor and walk in here, which is amazing. So essentially on the bottom I have broth and canned goods, as well as onions and garlic. This row is just kind of miscellaneous. I got my flour and brown sugar. This is just miscellaneous stuff that just doesn't really fit with anything else. And then my grains, as well as this. I had this in my coffee bar, but it was dripping, so that's why it ended up in here. I got my hemp, whatever they're called, they're hemp. And then also, just a little tip. This is my baking rice for whenever I make pie dough, so I don't have to constantly waste rice. I will reuse that for so then that the dough doesn't explode in the oven. And then up here, just also kind of random stuff. Got my proteins, cereal, all the sugars, and then just some miscellaneous stuff. I got a popcorn machine for Christmas this year, so that's why I got that. And then this I received as a gift, and I need to make it. I've never made cookies like this, or it's either been so long that I don't remember. And then just some salad stuff, so croutons and this salad topper. This stuff is amazing. So I got that, and then our little tiny snack bin. And then up here, and I think I accidentally switched it. I think I have the pasta down here, but that's okay. This has taken a priority within the last couple months. So that's that. And then up here, like I said, it's kind of just miscellaneous slash extra stuff. So I got my pasta and then chips, and then I have this tortilla, massive tortilla burrito that I need to find something to do with. And then our oils, sprays, dog treats, and then this is some protein that my mother-in-law gave us. It is low-key kind of like collagen, but it's protein but flavorless. And then also just throwing it out there that this is literally the best tasting protein powder I've ever had. Yeah, it literally tastes like a chocolate brownie, and there's no added sugars in it. But anyways, that is the overview. I am so glad this is finished. That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and feel as satisfied as me. I feel like I can sleep well tonight knowing that my pantry is nice and organized before baby girl comes. And that is one thing that I can check off my nesting list. And so I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, everybody.